We are going to open a reg test Taproot asset channel facilitated by the Taproot Docker repository by Lnfi network, which will run a Bitcoin D instance and two LitD instances running on the latest tagged branch. So we will get things started, which sets up the network, sends some Bitcoin out to both instances, and mints Lnfi, the Taproot asset, with one of the instances, and then it will sync the universes, and we will pick back up with connecting the nodes and opening the channels. So we are all up and running here, and the first thing we will do is get the asset ID for the asset we just minted for this demo. And we will also get the identity pubkey of the node that did not mint the asset, so that we have both of those pieces of information on hand for the rest of the demo. There's the identity pubkey. So with those pieces of information on hand, again, the asset ID of the Lnfi token we just minted, as well as the identity pubkey of the LND instance in the LitD bundle that did not mint the token, we can go ahead and proceed with connecting the nodes. And now we should see number appears 1. Great. And then we will first open a regular Lightning Network channel from the minting side to the non-minting side, and we'll also push some sats across. Great, that has been opened, and we'll see that that has been registered on the other side with list channels. Seems to... The script that we use to set up this reg test network is mining blocks in the background, so this should come through in a few seconds here. Okay. So the other instance has picked up on this channel opening, and so we can now open the Taproot asset channel, and we'll again do that from the minting side to the non-minting side, and we will push some assets across. So this user LitD instance knows about the asset because the universes have been synced, but it does not own any yet. So we'll get its first through this channel. And we have the funding transaction for the Taproot asset channel. And we should be able to pick up on data about this channel in what seems like 4 blocks. I'm not sure if that's a config setting I have or something else, but will be returned in the list channels command we just saw in about 4 blocks. So we'll check that out. Okay, so we're running list channels on the user side. We're now looking for some information about this Taproot asset channel, and here it is, right inside the existing LND or LNCLI rather list channels command. So we're able to see the name of the token, the asset ID, the meta hash, script key, amount, capacity of the channel, and we would be able to go ahead and add invoices and pay as well.